Buddhism and Jainism. By the end of the later Vedic period, many evil practices crept into society in the name of religion. The religion became complex. The Brahmanas became very powerful and exploited the common people through the various rites and rituals that they introduced. The lower caste people were discriminated against. Two preachers, Vartaman Mahavir and Gautam Buddha, started reform movements to weed out the problems that had come into society in the name of religion. Jainism. The 24th and last Tirthankar teacher of the Jains was Vardhaman Mahavir. He was born a prince in 599 BCE near Vaishali. At the age of 30, he gave up his life of luxury in search of the truth. After 12 years of penance and meditation, he gained spiritual knowledge. He became the Jinna, or the conqueror of the self. His philosophy is known as Jainism and his followers are called Jains. Mahavira preached non-violence or ahimsa. The Jains do not believe in harming any living creature. Mahavira did not believe in the existence of God and opposed all religious rites and rituals. He believed that all people are equal. Mahavira died at the age of 72 in 468 BCE in Pavapuri in Bihar. Buddhism. Siddharth, later known as Gautam Buddha, was born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu in 567 BCE. He was a prince, married to Princess Yashodhara, and had a son named Rahul. One day, Siddharth saw an old man, a sick man, a dead body, and an ascetic. He was deeply saddened by these sights, which changed his life completely. At the age of 29, he left his home in search of truth. After 6 years, while meditating under a peepal tree in Bodh Gaya, he attained enlightenment and became the Buddha. He gave his first sermon at the deer park in Sarnath. Buddha's religious philosophy is called Buddhism, and those who follow the teachings of Buddhism are known as Buddhists. Teachings of Buddhism. The main tenets of Buddhism are contained in the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. Four Noble Truths. The world is full of suffering. The cause of suffering is human desire. Suffering ends when human desire is overcome. If desire is conquered, one can attain nirvana or freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth. Eightfold Path. Right belief, right speech, right means of livelihood, right memory, right thought, right action, right effort, right meditation. Buddha taught people to lead a simple life and follow ahimsa. He did not believe in caste system. Buddhist viharas and monuments are found in many places. His followers travelled from place to place to spread his teachings. Buddha died in 483 BCE at the age of 80.